Hi, this is Jody Whitesides, and it is another ITRS 2-Minute Tuesday tip. And today we are talking about reamping guitars. And I'm going to be using the EXTC Effects Reamper from Radial Engineering. And unfortunately, just to warn you up front, this is going to take longer than 2 minutes because this box can do so much. But let's get started. Let's jump right in. As you can see, we've got this plugged in and powered on because it is a powered box. I have a cable coming from my audio interface and going in, and I have another one coming to the output and going back out to the computer. I'm about to set up an effects loop for effects loop A for a guitar sound that I want to add distortion to. For our first example here, I have a song where I have a guitar part right here, guitar main, that I would like to reamp as it was recorded direct, so it's nice and clean. I will play it right here so you can hear it. That's the clean guitar tone. Now I'm going to run it out the output of my reamp out, as you see here. And it's coming back in on this signal here for guitar reamped. I've got the reamp box set up with effects loop A running through a 1-control Golden Acorn overdrive special, which should make this sound a little bit like it's going through a Dumble. It is an amp in a box. Let's hear what this sounds like with this turned on. Turning it on. Let's say we don't want that to be quite as distorted coming back. So what I can do is I can turn the volume down on the drive down, I should say. Play it again. And now it's a little bit less distorted. Here we're going to have a second example. In this example, I'm running two different loops. I'm running loop A and loop B. In loop B, I have a 1-control Dimension Blue Monger, which is a chorusing effect that has a really nice sound. So the first thing I will do is I will play the guitar. I will only turn on loop B because right now they're both turned off. And then I will do the combination of both loop A and loop B. Dry. With the chorusing from loop B. Now let's go with turning on both loop A and loop B. This is dry. And that's with both of them. In example 3, I am switching out the distortion box. I'm using loop A. I'm now using the Deputy Marshall by Outlaw Pedals. And instead of running 2 chains in parallel, I'm going to run from the Deputy Marshall into the chorusing effect and back into loop A, as you would most likely in most guitar effects pedal setups. Let's play the song. I'll start without the Deputy Marshall on, and I'll show you what this sounds like, and then we'll turn on the chorusing. Now we're going to go with an amplifier setup where we're coming out of the computer into the reamp. The reamp is set up with the loop going to the distortion pedal, then into the chorus pedal, playing into the amplifier and being mic'd, and then being sent back to the computer. So there you have have it. There's several ways that I was using the effects reamper, the XTC Reamper from Radial in the studio. This is the reason why you get a direct signal from the guitar player that is clean and unadulterated, because if you need to tweak things after the fact, you have their performance, you can get the better sound. See you next time on the next 2 Minute Tuesday.